Here is how I built this raised garden bed out of cedar for only $25. I use unpressure treated cedar picket fences from Lowe's. You'll find them in the garden section, and mine cost about $3.98 each. I also used 1-inch wood screws and 2-inch wood screws. I ripped 2 of the pickets down on the table saw to use for the side post and the trim around the top. If you don't have a table saw, you can actually buy 1x2s in the lumber section. I'd recommend sticking with cedar because it lasts longer. Here's me making all of my cuts, and I'll put a cut list at the end of this video that you can screenshot. It's also very easy to customize to a bigger or smaller size. You just want to buy enough of the cedar pickets accordingly. I used some of the leftover wood that I ripped down to make a middle brace on the long sides of the bed. And then I attached the 1x2s cut at 11 inches to each wall of the bed. So there are 8 posts total, and this will fit together like a puzzle. I used Titebond wood glue as well as screws. I also used a square to make sure that everything is even, leaving 5/8 inches hanging off each edge. That will give you enough room to match each corner up. And I used the 1-inch screws for all of this. I then put everything together, all 4 walls, using the 2-inch screws and wood glue. It really does fit together like a puzzle. After I put the whole piece together, I went ahead and added trim around the top. Of course, this is totally optional as well. I just thought it would look better. And once I did that, everything was complete. Follow along to see how I fill them and get them ready to plant.